Friends, welcome to the channel God is Science or Science is God. Hope you are finding the content awe-inspiring and interesting. The self-revelations of the universe are intriguing and complex but simple once we begin to understand the concept. In an earlier video I mentioned that space-time in the ancient Hindu text is referred to as KSHIRSAGAR, meaning an ocean of fluid. Step by step we are moving to find if this is correct, and if yes, what are the evidence? In the earlier videos, first we have seen evidences that space-time is being produced by the black holes, causing the expansion of the universe. Later we found evidences that space-time is a physical entity forming the stratum on which the universe is created. Further, we continued to find more evidences to believe space-time as a superfluid flowing at the speed of light. And now is the turn when we will find evidences that a black hole is a whirlpool or a vortex in space-time rotating at the speed of light. Before we begin today's video, please like and subscribe the channel and press the notification icon so that you get a notification at the time of the launch of new videos. If you like the video, please like and share it on all platforms and in all groups. So let's begin with today's video. Have you ever wondered what happens when a star collapses in on itself, creating a void in space? What if we told you the answer lies in the concept of a superfluid space-time and the formation of a vortex known as a black hole? It's a fascinating journey, so strap in as we take a cosmic voyage into the heart of these celestial phenomena. Imagine space and time as a superfluid, a state of matter that exhibits zero viscosity. This superfluid space-time, much like water, can form vortexes. Now envision a black hole as a vortex or whirlpool in this space-time, rotating at the speed of light, consuming any matter or stellar body that crosses its path. This is the event horizon, the point of no return. The black hole's immense weight, created by the millions to billions of solar masses it devours, is responsible for its immense gravity. But how does this vortex form? Let's turn our attention to the birth of a black hole. Picture a massive star nearing the end of its life. When it can no longer sustain itself, it explodes. The debris is thrown outwards and a void is created in the space-time. The space-time from all sides rushes to fill the void, bringing back the debris. Since the space-time flows at the speed of light, this also happens at the same speed, giving an illusion of an implosion or a collapse, causing a supernova explosion. This explosion creates a vortex in space-time, much like pulling the plug in a bathtub. The stellar debris brought back into vortex creates an illusion of implosion. Imagine such explosion in water. The same scenario will be created. The explosion should be big enough to create the vortex in water. Similar is the case with the vortex creation in the space-time. If the explosion is small, no vortex gets created, but if it is big enough, at least 20 solar masses, the vortex or whirlpool gets created, and this is called a black hole. Since space-time is a superfluid and offers no resistance, it continues to rotate indefinitely. To summarize, thinking of space-time as a superfluid allows us to envision the formation and function of black holes in a new light. A black hole, in essence, is a space-time whirlpool, rotating at the speed of light, consuming anything that enters its event horizon. Its gravity is a result of the vast amounts of matter it devours. The formation of a black hole is a cosmic dance of stellar collapse, supernova explosion, and the rushing in of space-time to fill the void, creating a vortex of immense power and mystery. The universe is full of wonder, and by breaking down complex concepts like black holes and space-time into simpler, more digestible parts, we can better understand the awe-inspiring mechanics of our cosmos. So next time you gaze up into the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars and galaxies, but whirlpools in the superfluid space-time, rotating at the speed of light, consuming and shaping the universe as we know it. We have reached to the point where we are forced to believe that our forefathers were much more smarter and had much more knowledge than what we can contemplate. The universe actually is an ocean of a superfluid called space-time. Our forefathers rightly called the Ida KSHIRSAGAR. In the upcoming videos we will see that what we call a black hole was known to our ancestors as Shiva, and they have described and explained each and every event and phenomenon of the universe. We just needed to have the right perception.